Alright guys, let's talk quickly about Moonbeam here. You can see Moonbeam did get a support here off this daily support at around 18.6 cents. Since then it has gotten quite a bounce, and yesterday it got a really high bounce up to about 26 cents. But today it has kind of seen a rejection of this weekly time frame. This resistance here at about 25.2 cents, and we'll see, guys. It looks like it's coming down pretty hard. I don't know if it's going to hold up here above, we can say, like 23, 24 cents, but it could, come back down and touch this 18.5 cents. Now, I'm not sure what the pump was about yesterday, but it probably was just, ready to pop, as a lot of these altcoins are. And anyways, let's try to get above this 25.1 and work our way up to this next daily resistance up here at about 31 cents. And then we have another weekly resistance up here at about 33.7 cents. After that, we've kind of broken the structure, which would be a good thing. Now, I could try to draw a trend line too. I want to see where this kind of lines up. If we would draw a trend line, yeah, okay, it looks like it has broken out really there, but it's not a good place for a trend line, really. Anyways, guys, let's talk about Bitcoin real quick. Now, we just got some economic numbers a few minutes ago. Well, not a few minutes, about 30 minutes ago, and Bitcoin didn't react too much. And as you can see on this chart, it's sitting at, what, 61.3. Now it has, it's gone down a little bit. See, you can see in the last, 30 minutes or so, it has gone down. It's about to close a 15-minute candle here. But the numbers actually were not bad in reality. If I take you over to this chart so you can see, not really a chart, but, I want to take you to look at these numbers. Pretty much everything was in line. Personal spending was a little worse than expected, but personal income was better than expected. So I think they kind of balance each other out. We do have some Chicago PMI numbers coming out shortly. Also, Dallas Fed should be coming out any minute now. And the Michigan numbers will come out in about an hour. So these are all important numbers as well. Let me see. Maybe I can refresh this and see if we get the Dallas numbers here. Doesn't look like it's going to show up before I end this video. Anyways, guys, so basically everything was in line, and maybe we needed a bit of a surprise for the market. But yeah, Bitcoin is not pumping at the moment, but I don't think it's really going to sink down, under really 61,000, today probably. It does look like it's going to hold. We have held here, pretty much for the last day. And we've gotten a bounce basically in these regions, as you can see. But yeah, I don't really expect a dump too much. But maybe it depends on Chicago PMI and Michigan numbers and whatever this Dallas Fed PCE comes out as too. But anyways, we'll see. Moonbeam, far from being out of the woods. Basically, it's in its accumulation stage still, and at the very bottom again, which is bad to see after we've dropped from about 70 cents all the way back down to under 20 cents. That's terrible. This chart does not look good. Now, keep in mind, I do hold a bag of Moonbeam. But, we'll see what happens, guys. Not every coin will do well. Hopefully this one, will start to do well soon. But anyways, guys, that's all I got for you on Moonbeam and about Bitcoin. And if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.